Hello, my name is Dan McNamee. I was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer in 2020. I did 9 months of chemo and 2 clinical trials, and I have been off treatment, no sign of the disease, for about 2.5 years now, a little more than 2.5 years now. What is my personal experience with clinical trials? It's very simple. They saved my life. I do not think I would be alive today. I certainly wouldn't be alive today living off treatment with the real possibility that pancreatic cancer is a thing of my past. If I hadn't been able to identify opportunities in the clinical trial world and then participate in them, it was life-saving. So thank you to everybody who's involved in pulling these clinical trials together. Thank you to all the doctors who are doing so, all the clinicians, all the administrators. These things save lives, so thank you. What are some of the challenges involved in clinical trials from the patient perspective? Number one is finding them. I was lucky. My whole family is sort of doctors except for me, so they were very comfortable in what questions to ask, when to ask them, and to whom to ask. We use clinicaltrials.org in the United States. So I was diagnosed in Paris, but I ended up moving back to the States for treatment. There are other systems and services that you can engage to find clinical trials, but first and foremost, ask your treating oncologist. That treating oncologist probably will not be involved in clinical trials, but you should be able to identify the oncologists who are. Contact their offices, get an appointment with them, and just go see what work they're doing that you might be able to participate in. It's a difficult process. There is absolutely no restriction, real or imagined, about going and seeing a second, third, or fourth doctor to try to determine what other opportunities there are. No single doctor knows everything that is happening in the field. So go and see other people when and where you can. Number two, for me, it was insurance. Again, I was in Europe, so I moved back to the United States. I was able to work that through my insurance, but it was quite difficult. But I was able to do it, so that was hugely beneficial. And number three is just living in the context of a clinical trial. It can be very difficult. There are things that you're restricted from doing. There are things that you think you can't do, but you might be able to do. You've got obviously tons of appointments, tons of blood draws. All of that can be very, very difficult just living it, but it is worth it. It is absolutely worth it. Number one, to assist in finding solutions. And number two, you might be part of a solution yourself. You might be getting treatment that can save and change your life, which is exactly what happened to me. So going back through this again, number one, start early on during chemo. Ask your doctor what happens after chemo. They may not know exactly. Try to get a name. Go to that doctor. What happens after chemo? Go to the next doctor. Go to the next doctor, and try to identify trials that are in places that you can access to and get appointments with those offices to see if you're going to be able to participate in them. What's my message to others? Identifying a clinical trial and then being eligible for it and participating in it is like a ticket to the future. You get to possibly see what happens in the next 5, 10, 15 years of treatment before it becomes widely available. It can save your life. It saved my life, and these are accessible. Trust your doctor, speak to as many specialists as you can, ultimately develop a trusting relationship with 1, 2, 3 of these doctors, and really work with them to determine what is available to you. It's an incredible opportunity. It sounds scary. Sometimes it is scary, but pancreatic cancer is pretty scary too. So find as many opportunities as you can. Keep moving forward. Stay alive. Move forward. Stay alive. Move forward. The future is coming. Solutions to these real problems are coming. So keep going. Thank you.